Since the very moment we awake, we have all known that time stops for no one. But before it's too late, we hardly ever really realize and comprehend the essential entirety of existence. A goal is only wishful thinking without a suitable plan of action. When you don't have a daily schedule, time seems to be running out and life becomes stressful and so confusing. Therefore, organizing your day involves organizing your life and positioning yourself for long-term success. Learning to plan your day is crucial, regardless of whether you're attempting to find a way to manage your daily workload or form a new habit for personal development. You'll be able to achieve your goals in life and regain control over your daily routine after you have learned the art of day planning. Allow me to share with you the top 10 strategies for making a daily plan that can enhance both your life and productivity. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina V. Rising and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. It's normal to feel stressed when your to-do list is endless and you're juggling several tasks or responsibilities at once. Although it can seem illogical, it can be detrimental to jump right into your work as soon as you log on or arrive at the workplace. Actually, studies indicate that planning your day for only 10 minutes can prevent up to 2 hours of lost time and, of course, scattered effort. Not only does planning facilitate the completion of tasks, but it also serves as an organizing tool that reduces stress and maintains sanity in both our personal and professional life. Planning gives your work a sense of serenity and intentionality, as opposed to directing your energy aimlessly from task to task. Tip 1. Consider your day ahead of time. You may avoid squandering time and effort on pointless things by organizing your day. It will support your organization and concentration. Identifying your daily objectives is the first step towards increasing your productivity. Having a to-do list, or at the very least, a rough understanding of the activities involved in completing each assignment is vital. Setting priorities for each job and accomplishing them in the order listed, starting with the most important and working your way down to the last, is an excellent method for managing your time. If you arrange your days, you will find it easier to balance your work and, of course, your life. The likelihood of tension and worry is higher among those who do not organize their days, which lends credence to this theory. Why should you plan your day? While organizing your day might be challenging, it is also essential. Whether you work for a company as a freelancer or as an employee, it will be difficult to be productive and accomplish your objectives if you don't organize your days. Planning your day starts with determining what you want to do and how long it will take. Next, divide each job into manageable chunks and give each one a deadline. This will assist you in avoiding distractions and maintaining your attention on the task at hand. This kind of thinking makes it possible for you to increase your productivity all day long. You'll be more motivated and successful if you plan your day. It also helps you feel in charge of your life. Prioritize your duties and stay away from distractions. There are some skills involved in arranging a day. Learning to manage your day takes work, but the rewards are substantial. Determining your motivations and desired life outcomes is a crucial first step that will assist you in planning your activities for the next day. After you've made up your mind, it's time to make a list of everything that needs to be done. Tip 2. Incorporate task batching, the practice of grouping jobs together so you may do them all at once instead of switching between projects or regions. A simple example of this would be if a photographer decided to resize every one of her recent wedding photos at once, instead of editing and resizing each one individually. In most cases, grouping related tasks together to save time and, of course, effort. While batching has numerous uses, it may also wear people out in certain circumstances. There are several scenarios in which you can get more done using batching and others in which you should continue working on one task at a time. Tip 3, separate your regular life and your work life. There isn't a single time management strategy that works for everyone. This is due to the fact that every individual has a distinct work style and, of course, personality. Knowing your own preferences, talents, and, of course, shortcomings is essential to success. Creating clear boundaries between your personal and professional lives is one of the finest methods to organize your day. This will guarantee that you can arrange your duties in order of importance given the time you have each day. Establishing limits also helps in prioritizing activities that must be completed before or after work hours, such as exercise and family obligations. Tip 4, adopt routines that promote productivity. Many individuals believe that since they don't have enough time throughout the day, they are not productive. They think putting in more hours at work is the only way to be more productive. But there are many strategies to increase productivity and carve out time for yourself. Establishing a routine before you start your day is one of those strategies. Though there are many distinct rituals, some include prioritizing your duties or creating a list. To do more in less time than ever before, it's important to establish and maintain a schedule that suits you. You should take some time to go over your list and determine what is necessary, what isn't, and how long each activity will take to do. When it comes to productivity, mentality is the most crucial factor. If you don't believe in yourself, it's impossible to expect yourself to be productive. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 5, you must acquire the ability to act. You must develop your ability to act. You must develop efficient time management and organization skills. One of the most important steps to being productive is to arrange your day by ensuring that you are not wasting time on things that don't need to be done and are instead spending more time on things that do. This step helps you make the most of your day. Tip 6, give up digital and switch to analog. Though technology has advanced significantly, mastering the art of day planning still needs traditional methods. It has been ingrained in human nature to look to technology to find solutions to every issue. But you have to absorb it if you want to see real change in your life. Therefore, you should grab a piece of paper and write out your objectives, your plan for achieving them, and the outcomes you would want to see at the end of a productive day. By doing this, you will be able to achieve 2 goals. Firstly, you will be able to slow down since you will be removed from the ultra-fast digital environment. Before you start your day, you will have a better idea of where you are and where you are going, since you will have some time to yourself without electronics. Tip 7, concentrate and make yourself a priority. Remaining focused on your goals is essential for success. The cacophony of daily existence may easily cause one to get disoriented and lose concentration. You must schedule your time and arrange your day if you want to be more effective. You can form routines that will assist you in staying on course and facilitate working on the current duties. You can form routines that will assist you in staying on course and facilitate working on the current duties. You probably don't have enough time to do the most important activities if you're always having trouble deciding what has to be done. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 8, make a realistic self-evaluation. Understanding who you are as a person and your advantages and disadvantages is crucial. This will assist you in efficiently organizing your work, scheduling your day, and managing your time. To begin organizing a productive day, determine how much time you have in a day. Additionally, you have to be aware of the number of hours you devote to various pursuits, including eating, working, sleeping, and even socializing. You have to work hard if you want to be productive throughout the day. However, avoid letting your drive for outcome become destructive. Thus, be aware of your boundaries and when to and when not to cross them. Tip 9, determine your best productive time. Everybody has peaks and valleys in their work output. The periods of time throughout the day when you are most productive are known as your peak performance moments. Divide a normal day into 3 or 4 time slots to determine yours. Sort these spaces in descending order of productivity over the course of a week. Set up protected work blocks on your Google Calendar to focus on your most critical tasks once you've identified your most productive periods. Tip 10, compartmentalize your week. When beginning daily planning, it might be beneficial to consider your week as a whole and divide it into manageable chunks so that you don't have to attempt to doing everything at once. This enables you to plan your week ahead of time, evaluate at the conclusion, and do as much work as possible while you're feeling very productive. Based on concepts presented by a Google employee some years ago, here is an example of how it would seem. As the week progresses, energy levels rise, so begin by establishing goals and working on low-demand chores. Plan your week, make arrangements, finish any administrative work, decide on a weekly priority area, go over or establish goals, targets, and important metrics. Tuesday and Wednesday. You'll probably be at your most energetic, so put work above talking about work, i.e. in your emails and of course meetings. Create designs, write code, and create project proposals. Address issues and convene brainstorming meetings. Topics to be covered at Thursday meetings, roadblocks. Thursday, as the week draws near, energy starts to fade, so put meetings and teamwork ahead of focused work. Organize your one-on-ones, team meetings, etc. Concentrate on working together and reaching an agreement. Conduct planning meetings for the next week's schedule. And Friday is the day with the lowest energy. This is a day to contemplate, build connections, and work on unfinished tasks. Examine your energy levels, output, progress toward your objectives, and overall attitude over the last week. Put people first and cultivate relationships. Engage in undefined initiatives. They're simply examples, but they're a useful starting point. As your ability to plan grows, you'll begin to understand what makes a daily and weekly timetable that is most effective for you. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip. Tip 1, consider your day ahead of time. Tip 2, incorporate task batching. Tip 3, separate your regular life and your work life. Tip 4, adopt routines that promote productivity. Tip 5, you must acquire the ability to act. Tip 6, give up digital and switch to analog. Tip 7, concentrate and make yourself a priority. Tip 8, make a realistic evaluation. Tip 9, determine your best productive time. Tip 10, compartmentalize your week. Productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of a commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. Paul J. Meyer. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.